Customers with projects large and small look to Goodwill Commercial Services to package, repackage, label, bag, and seal products of all kinds, from medical devices to automotive parts and everything in between. Goodwill will package your products to meet your specifications or help design a packaging solution that suits your needs. Capable of handling high and low volume projects, we can procure packaging materials for you or store yours on site. Our operations are flexible, so we can easily handle seasonality and demand-driven changes in your product volume. A customizable production space and temperature-controlled environment allow us to meet nearly any co-packing need. We're even FDA registered for repackaging and relabeling. Our large warehouse, multiple docks, and frequent shipments allow us to accept your product daily and ship back to you or directly to your customers. Our three-part quality approach ensures that every package, every box, and every shipment will exceed your expectations, and your customers too. Contact us to discuss your next project or to schedule a visit. Goodwill Commercial Services. Contract manufacturing and packaging solutions customized for your business.